Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva AI to generate images directly inside Affinity. So let's get into it. Now, first things first, this is actually a paid feature, meaning to say you need to upgrade your account. But let me show you where to and how to use Canva AI. Now, once you're inside your Affinity, you want to look up at the top toolbar and you'll see an option called Canva AI. Now go ahead and click this. And when you do, a panel will pop up on the right side of your screen. And this is where you should type in your prompt. So for example, let's create an image of an apple on top of a table. All you have to do is just click on generate. But as I mentioned, this is a paid feature. So once you click that, it'll ask you to upgrade your account. But basically, that's where you can add AI images in Affinity. That's it. That's how easy it is to use Canva AI to generate images in Affinity. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!